Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Turkish Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Turkish. Imagine walking into a cafe in Istanbul. The smell of freshly brewed Turkish coffee fills the air. Someone looks at you, smiles, and says something you don't understand. You freeze. You want to respond, but you don't know how. Now imagine this instead. You smile back, take a breath, and say, "Merhaba, benim adım." And just like that, you've started your first real conversation in Turkish. Today, in just 15 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to introduce yourself in Turkish. Confidently, naturally, and clearly. Let's begin. The very first word you need is merhaba. Let's say it slowly together, merhaba. One more time. Merhaba. This simply means hello. It's polite, friendly, and works in almost any situation. You can use it with strangers, friends, or even in formal settings. Now, try saying it out loud. Merhaba. Good. Now, let's move to the most important part. Your name. In Turkish you say, benim adım. Let's break that down. Benim means my, adım means my name. Together. Benim adım. Now add your name. For example, benim adım Alex. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Benim adım. Now say your own name. Perfect. There's also a shorter, more natural way. Just say Ben, which means I am. For example, Ben Alex. This is very common in casual conversations. Let's try it. Repeat. Ben. Now your name. Great. Now that you can introduce yourself, let's learn how to ask someone's name. You say, adınız ne? Let's break it down. Adınız. Your name. Ne. What? Together. Adınız ne? This is the polite form. If you're talking to a friend or someone, your age. You can say adın ne? Repeat after me. Adınız ne? Adın ne? Excellent. After introductions, you want to be polite. In Turkish, you say, memnun oldum. Let's slow it down. Memnun oldum. One more time. Memnun oldum. This means nice to meet you. Try it. Memnun oldum. Next, a very common question. Where are you from? In Turkish, nerelisiniz. Let's break it down slowly. Ne. Re. Li. Si. Niz. Nerelisiniz. To answer, you say, Ben liyim. For example, Ben Amerikalıyım. Ben Filipinliyim. Let's practice. Repeat. Ben liyim. Now say your country. Great job. Now let's combine everything. Listen first. Merhaba. Benim adım Alex. En Filipinliyim Gulvas Albons. Now repeat with me. Merhaba. Benim adım. Memnun oldum. Ben liyim. Excellent. Let's hear a real conversation. Merhaba. Merhaba. Benim adım Alex. Adınız ne? Benim adım Ayşe. Memnun oldum. Memnun oldum. Nerelisiniz? Ben Türkiye'liyim. Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. I say hello. Say your name. Say nice to meet you. Say where you're from. Amazing. You just introduced yourself in Turkish. Take a moment and realize what you just did a few minutes ago. You didn't know how to introduce yourself in Turkish. Now you can start a conversation. You can connect with someone. You can take your first real step into a new language. And this is just the beginning. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to continue the conversation and keep it going naturally. For now, Practice these phrases, say them out loud, and make them yours. Merhaba. Benim adım. Memnun oldum. Ben liyim. See you in the next lesson. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.